Hey everyone, in today's video we'll be taking a look at the progress of the Eglinton Crosstown in Midtown Toronto and Scarborough. Today's video will cover the section from Kennedy to Bathurst, but next week's video will cover the section from Eglinton West Station at Allen Road to Mount Dennis. I'm also a little under the weather, so I apologize if my voice sounds a little strange. GO Transit's new ticketing building is almost complete, although some finishing touches still need to be added. The second GO train platform on the east side of the tracks has also been opened. The platform includes Presto readers, emergency communication devices, and covered bike racks. One of the pedestrian tunnels connecting the two platforms is almost complete, although tiling work still needs to be finished. Moving west to the main entrance for Line 5, the station building again is very close to being finished, with minor finishings being added. Landscaping around the station has also been completed. The surface section has been largely complete for a couple of years now, but work to install Presto readers and ticket machines has started more recently, mainly at the eastern stations. Yellow gates have also started to be installed on the platform edge. These gates will help to prevent people from getting stuck or jumping onto the outside of the train where the trains couple together. Science Center Station has been complete for a while now, although some work has taken place at the bus terminal. Paneling has been almost completed at the bus terminal, but there are some gaps where signage still needs to be installed. Traffic lights have also been installed on both Gervais Drive and Don Mills outside of the bus terminal. The lights haven't been activated yet, but will allow for buses to easily turn in and out of the terminal. A large rock has been installed at Don Mills in Eglinton, potentially as the centerpiece of a future plaza. Laird's secondary entrance is mostly complete now, with landscaping and tiling finished. The main entrance is also largely complete, with landscaping finished. Covered bike racks have also been installed outside of the station building. Outside of Leaside Station, the road has been filled in and repaved, with all lanes now restored. The structure for bike lanes has been built, but the lane itself still needs to be paved. Concrete has also been poured outside of the station buildings for stairs and ramps leading up to the entrance. Railings have started to be installed on the stairs. Orange accents on the outside of the station are being installed as well. Mount Pleasant's secondary entrance is largely complete, with tiling and digital displays installed. The main entrance is also very close to being completed. The road and intersection have been repaved outside of the station as well, and all lanes have been opened. Eglinton Station has been one of the main causes for delaying the projects due to difficulties tunneling under the existing TTC subway tunnel. While it still has a while, the new entrance building is a little over halfway complete, and it's clear that work on the station is being done as fast as possible to get the line open. Work to fill in the ground from tunneling is almost at road level, and I would expect road repaving to take place in the summer. Bike lanes, sidewalks, and the new roadway on Eglinton have all started to be built from just west of Yonge to Avenue Road. Avenue Station's secondary entrance at Oriole Parkway, like many other stations, is close to being completed. The main entrance is very similar, with finishing touches for the station being installed. All three of Chaplin Station's entrances are nearing completion. On the northwest corner of the intersection, the main entrance has been largely complete for a while, but a smaller glass structure recently had glass panels installed. Tiling has been finished at the secondary and third entrances, although signage still needs to be installed. A staircase connecting the third entrance on Eglinton to the K. Gardner Beltline Trail has been built, although it's not yet open. The main entrance at Forest Hill Station is nearly finished, with tiling in and around the station complete. Trees have also been planted outside of the station. Signage and orange accents still need to be installed. The secondary entrance on Eglinton is also close to being finished and even has the orange accents installed. The next steps for this section of the line are mostly to continue installing amenities like Presto readers, benches, and garbage bins. The road also needs to be repaved, and Eglinton Station still needs to be completed. With almost all stations largely complete and Eglinton Station progressing quickly, I expect the line to be ready to open by the end of the year. Stay tuned for next week's video where we take a look at the western section of the line. Thanks for watching.